Okay, so this is part 2. This is called converting from factored form to standard form. When I was a student, that didn't make sense to me why we had all these different forms. Now that I know math better, it's because they all do different things. Like this one is good for certain things, this one's good for other things. And so with both of them together, you get the whole picture. So here's how it works. So the steps, all you need to do is this, simplify. If you simplify factored form, it automatically converts into standard form. So guys, so I don't have to scroll all the way back up. Can you tell me what we got for equation 1? Like when we converted it to factored form, it was y equals, I think it was -1, I think?
Yeah, -1 times x plus 4.
X plus 4.
Times x plus 3.
X plus 3.
Times x
Minus 1?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so remember we already did this, right? We already converted to this form. Okay, so now we're going to, we already found that form, pardon me. Now we're going to convert it. So convert it means we just multiply all this out. Okay, we add whatever we can add, we multiply whatever we can multiply. We have not multiplied 3 binomials together yet. Okay, I don't know if you've done them before, but here's how I would suggest you do. Take just two of them, any of the 2, and multiply those 2 first. I would not multiply that -1 in there yet. Okay, so here's how it would look. This times this is 4x. That times that is 12. This times this is x squared, and this times this is 3x. Every time after you multiply, you add. And this is very intentional, the way I lined them up. X's with x's, x squares with x squares, constants. Okay, so this adds up to x squared plus 7x plus 12. Okay, keep your mind on the big picture. What I've done here thus far, all I've done is multiplied those 2 binomials. Okay, so I still have that -1, and I still have that x minus 1 to multiply. So I'm going to leave that -1 alone for now. And then what I like to do, this is not like you have to do it this way, but I like to put the short, so the binomial in the front. I like to distribute the short one into the long one. Okay. And this is, today I can show you why I don't ever teach you FOIL, okay, because FOIL doesn't work on this one. This is the first time we multiply a binomial times a trinomial. It's very simple. It's just you take the first number, you include the negative, and you distribute it not just to 2 of them, but to all 3 of them. And if it was a quadrinomial, you would do the same thing. As many terms, you just distribute it. So here, does the sign switch? Because it's just a -1. I'm done with the -1. So now multiply x. What would x, well, I don't think we multiplied yet. X times x squared is what? X cubed, okay, because this is a x1 right here. So it's going to be x cubed, and so x cubed is different than x squared. So you put it off to the side, okay? And then x times 7x is 7x squared, and 12 times x is 12x. Again, once you multiply, you add. So x cubed plus, what is that, 6x plus 5x squared, oh yeah, squared, thank you, squared minus 12. Thank you. Okay, when you're doing these, you get so caught up in all the distributing and the adding, is very easy to forget, right? I still have that -1 in the front. Okay, so don't forget about it. So I'm going to take that final answer and multiply it times -1. And so I'm actually done. Y equals negative, does my signs will switch again? Okay, that right there, guys, this is called standard form. I didn't have time ahead of time to plug them into decimals. I wish I would have shown you. That way I could show you that if you plug this into decimals and you plug the factored one into decimals, it's the exact same thing. It's exactly the same. It's just different forms. Okay, it's like a Majin Buu in a different form, right? Same. All right. So I want you to do this with example 2. Okay. Can you guys say it out loud, please? It's what's it? 4? No, 4 in the front.
Yeah, 4 times x plus 3 times x minus 2 times x minus 6.
-6. Okay. Okay, there it is. Again, this is not a rule, but I would suggest you do it in this way. First those two, then that one, and then this one. Students usually try to do the 4 first, but it's easier, I think it's easier if you do the 4 last. Okay. So I'm going to be quiet here for 2 minutes.